Welcome to the Easy Tech Fixit channel, and this is a quick video to talk about a security flaw in Windows. It affects versions of Windows 7, Windows 8.1, and the current versions supported of Windows 10, so 1809, 1903, 1909, October 2018 update, May 2019 update, and November 2019 update. All have a security flaw that it comes from the a thing called the Adobe type feature, which is basically an integration within Windows of Adobe, files and documents. And basically, what that does is it enables Windows to actually open and preview even Adobe documents like PDFs. Now, there's a flaw in that. And it started with Microsoft saying, well, it's mitigated, it's not that big of a problem. And today it's turned into a critical flaw because hackers apparently have limited exploits of this. That means some hackers were able to actually exploit this flaw. Now, the only thing we could do is wait for a fix from Microsoft, which is not saying when it's going to be. And if it is only on Patch Tuesday of next month, I don't know, kind of irresponsible. But with more pressure now coming with this flaw, I think they're going to actually acknowledge and push the security fix probably sooner. So basically, there is what you have to do is be careful what you open, PDFs, stuff like that, where they come from. Make sure that they are correct and come from good websites. So you got to be very careful with what you open. But another thing is, and a lot of you out there are saying, well, I open my PDFs with this or that, so I'm not, I don't have any problems. Yes, you can, because if you go to your File Explorer to click on a PDF, and you have your preview pane, the preview pane is that panel here on the right side. So the preview pane gives a preview of whatever document you might be looking at. So when you have your mouse pointer clicked on something, preview pane actually opens that. So if you have the preview pane when you click that PDF, the PDF can show up there, and that can actually be a vector where it can be exploited. So what that means is that you need to actually, to stay as safe as possible, disable the preview pane. So in the File Explorer at the top, you have the menu. Go into View and make sure that you click Preview pane to remove it if you have it. If you don't have it, it's okay. But if you have that right side panel, you can actually deactivate it for now and, reactivate it after a fix is done. So we don't know when that's going to happen, but apparently someday. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.